And welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. 6 Jamaican sporting personalities comprising Olympians Merlin Ottey and Dion Hemmings-McCarthy, footballer Khadija Bonnie Shaw, jockey Emilio Bimba Rodriguez, as well as Howard Bell and Cedella Marley were the recipients of national awards at Monday's virtual National Honors and Awards ceremony. Simon Preston tells us more.
9-time Olympic medalist Merlin Ottey was honoured with Jamaica's 4th highest honour, the Order of Jamaica, during the 2020 National Honours and Awards on Monday. Ottey was awarded the Order of Jamaica for her contribution to track and field locally and internationally, which also saw her pick up 14 World Championship medals and 7 Indoor Championship medals. Ottey was the first female Caribbean athlete to win an Olympic medal as she copped the bronze in the 200 metres at the 1980 Olympics in Moscow. The 60-year-old was also rewarded for her longevity in the sport, having competed at 7 Olympic Games. Out of the thousands of athletes across the globe to compete at the Olympics, only 13 individuals have been to more Olympic Games than Ottey. 5 sporting personalities were awarded the Order of Distinction, 2 in the rank of Commander and 3 in the rank of Officer. In the rank of Commander, Dion Hemmings-McCarthy and Cedella Marley were the recipients. McCarthy was awarded for her work in athletics. Hemmings-McCarthy won the gold medal in the 400-metre hurdles at the 1996 Atlanta Olympics in a then-Games record of 52.82 seconds. She also won 2 other Olympic medals and 4 World Championship medals. Marley was awarded for her support towards the Reggae Girls in qualifying for the 2019 FIFA Women's World Cup in France. The 53-year-old became a benefactor of the team in 2014 after it was disbanded due to inactivity. Through the Bob Marley Foundation, Cedella raised enough money for the team to reform and organize camps, practice matches, and hire a coaching staff to prepare the team for assignments. She proved pivotal in this regard as on October 17, 2018, the Reggae Girls qualified for the 2019 FIFA Women's World Cup. In the rank of Officer, the recipients were Reggae Girls striker Khadija Bonnie Shaw, Howard Bell, and jockey Emilio Bimba Rodriguez. Bonnie Shaw has been awarded for her contribution to the Reggae Girls. Last year, she became the all-time leading goal scorer for Jamaica, male and female, when she notched her 40th goal in the Olympic qualifiers against the US Virgin Islands. The 23-year-old was also featured on Guardian's Top 100 Best Players in the World in women's football. The attacker has been a national player since her under-15 days 10 years ago. Bell is a former national footballer and he has been an administrator for over 2 decades. He served as manager of the Reggae Boys team which qualified for the 1998 FIFA World Cup in France. Former 4-time champion jockey Bimbo Rodriguez has been awarded for his outstanding achievement and service to sports, in particular horse racing. Rodriguez, who started riding at Caymanas Park in 1970, secured more than 1,000 wins before migrating to the United States in 1989, where he had more than 100 wins before retiring in 2007. Simon Preston reporting for TVJ Sports.